Hi, I'm Ariel Arce, the beverage partner at Conrad New York Downtown. We're at the top of the hotel at the brand new Leonessa, this gorgeous new bar that was built to feel like you're at the Amalfi Coast. Today we're gonna make a martini that's simple as it is delightful, using 2 parts gin, which is from Portofino, and 1 part vermouth from Mancino Dry, which is an Italian vermouth. You can keep this in your freezer, you can make this at home. It's very simple. Shall we make it? So I start with 2 ounces of Portofino Dry Gin. This gin is beautiful because it actually doesn't have that much botanical, but is made with citrus. So it has a light, dry quality to it. The Mancino Vermouth is one of our favorites. It gives you a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of complexity while still being quite dry. And then we finish it with just a hint of lemon bitters. You can shake this martini. We like to stir it. And you can also make this martini, keep it in your freezer so it's always cold. And on top of that, you should always serve your martinis in a very cold glass. I'm chilling mine, but you can put yours inside the freezer to make them cold. Give this a couple more stirs so you have the dilution for the martini. And then I like to put a big fancy lemon twist on top so you get all that beautiful aroma of the lemon. Cut a big long swath, and then you can put that on top of 2 drinks. Fill this guy up. And there you go. If you like a dirty martini, you can also put an olive in there or a little bit of olive juice after you've made it. Enjoy.